In this video, I'll be showing you how to exchange stickers on Monopoly Go. So you might be wondering how to exactly exchange your stickers here in Monopoly Go. Well, exchanging your stickers in Monopoly Go is pretty easy, but there are going to be a few things that you need to understand and you need to have in order for you to do so. Let's go open up Monopoly Go here. Now, typically at the bottom right here, so if you click on it, you should be able to see different albums here. Let's go and access one of them. Now, there are going to be a lot here. Let's look for one that I could actually use. So just to give you some explanation here, why am I looking at different albums? Why can't I just use any other album out there? The thing with exchanging stickers here with Monopoly Go is you need to have an extra of that sticker in order for you to exchange that to a friend. So that's the limitation I am talking about here, and we need to understand that. Now, in order for you to exchange or send stickers, you need to have an extra of it. You'll know you'll have an extra of it if you do see a +1 or a +2 on that specific sticker. So if you click on it, you can now see that you have the option that says send to a friend. Now, if we try accessing other albums here and click on it, as you can see, the send to a friend option is not available. So again, you need to have an extra of that sticker in order for you to send that or exchange that. So if you click on send to a friend, and from here, you can just basically enable that make exchange option and just choose the friend that you want to send this to. For example, we want to maybe send this to a very specific friend. Let's go and look for that user. Let's choose this one and you can just click on continue. Now, by the way, when we enable the make exchange option here, they need to send another sticker as well in exchange for the sticker that you're sending right now. So you can just click on continue here and this actually will send the request itself. And the user has like 16 hours in order for them to accept the exchange and give you a sticker as well. But yeah, you could go and just click on exchange if you're sure. And that's about it. That's it for this video. I'll see you on the next one.